Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you some of my favorite independent beauty brands. So this is a makeup artist reviews independent beauty brands. Obviously it goes without saying there are so many incredible independent beauty brands out there, and I think they need our support more than ever during now, and it's something that I really pledge to make a concerted effort to in 2021 to make sure I am trying to find the best of the independent beauty brands for you. So today I'm going to run through a little edit, kind of a couple of current favorites in no particular order. These products are tried and tested by myself, totally happy to recommend them, love everything I've tried from each and every brand I'm going to show you. So let's get started. And it goes without saying as well, some of these brands you may have heard of, maybe some you haven't, and I'd also love you to tell me as well in the comments what you're loving, if there's any new brands I need to know about. But first off, I'm going to start with a brand called Man Size 7. I hope that's how you pronounce it. They're all creams basically. They come in these gorgeous pots, and the pots are reusable, so they're really sustainable. It's got a nice kind of weighty feel. They do gorgeous highlighters. The thing I love about their products as well is they are very much kind of universally meant to be in use. They encourage multi-purpose use, which I love. I think that's one of the best ways to get more from your makeup is by using products for lips, eyes, blush, etc., and really using them beyond what they're just intended for. So those are a really nice product. They are definitely kind of the luxury end of the market. Really beautiful ingredients. Really lovely product. Again, I think great for makeup beginners and makeup pros because they definitely give that natural finish, but there's a real good mix of hues, some bright, some very neutral, and they're all kind of finger friendly makeup. So I love that brand and I love everything I've tried by them, has been exquisite. So one you guys may have heard of is Audiography. Now I've tried so many of their products. They are mostly famous for their pressed glitter pigments, which are incredible. Definitely feel like they started a trend in the industry and a lot of bigger brands started jumping on the bandwagon and reproducing a similar product. Theirs is still one of my favorite, but also I love this. I think this is their liquid pressed glitter pigment, is it? Or the liquid glitters, something like that. I'll put the name on the screen. But these are so beautiful. They're like a foil eye product, and this color is Smoky Topaz. I use it so much. I have one in my pro kit as well. Such a good cream eyeshadow. Like, it blends beautifully. You can layer it really nicely. And I think across the board, their lip pencils are lovely. Kind of everything I've tried from Audiography has really impressed me, but definitely the pressed glitter pigments and their cream kind of eyeshadows are just sublime. Like, the colors are stunning, very wearable, very user-friendly, and their liquid eyeshadows really are long-lasting. So it'll be no surprise to you guys that there's another multi-purpose product. There's definitely a theme in this video, but I want to introduce you to Noto, or Noto, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but this is made by a makeup artist who is based here in Los Angeles. Her name is Gloria Noto, and her work is stunning. It's very much what I'm into, kind of real skin looking, celebrating beauty in all its forms, and it's great because she really promotes her brand imaging is beautiful. So this is the lips, cheeks and eyes. I love the way she calls it multi-use natural unisexy, because again, she implies it's for everyone to use and enjoy. And she actually creates her products in little pots as well as these sticks. Now, the reason I love this so much, so this is one of the lip products, and so lip, eye, cheek, it's everything. It's so small, so it's great for putting in a makeup bag. So you can get these in small little stick form, which is great if you just want to try the product and actually know you're going to be able to commit to using it up, which I love. I love that I can have these in handbags, and for touch-ups, these are so good. They're great for set bags. I feel like you still get a lot of product in here. The shade I've got here is 004. I love her highlighters as well. Such a beautiful natural based beauty brand as well. So if you're looking for something like that, definitely recommend checking out. And I love their packaging. It's super chic. Okay, so this brand I actually discovered way back at Indie Beauty Expo when I was with Lindsay Kelk. We were doing some research for our podcast, Full Coverage. If you didn't know I have a beauty podcast, I'll link that down below. But Axiology is a fantastic brand, and their packaging is very sustainable. Again, they have these gorgeous lip crayons that they're not they look like they're going to be really pigmented, but they have this gorgeous sheen in that just makes lips look really, really healthy. And I use these a lot for red carpet. I find they perform really, really well, are long lasting. I find they're such a good brand when it comes to sustainability. That's really a key focus of them. Definitely their lip products are kind of my go-to favorite. I just feel like the pencils, the crayons, This kind of colour I use on cheeks a lot as well. Like, it's such a nice colour to kind of keep in your handbag and just top up a little bit of cheek with throughout the day and kind of use it on your lips at the same time. So they're really, really good for like a multi-purpose product. But again, I just find these are a real requested favourite in my red carpet kit as well. And I think their lip products, the ones I've tried, are very, very moisturising. So really recommend checking them out if you're looking for a great lip colour. This is the shade Vibration, and I think there's a shade called Noble. Is it this one? I have Noble, Enduring as well, which is a really nice like mauvey kind of nude. Those kind of colours are just beautiful and they get used a lot in my pro kit. Now I know the idea of glitter may seem surprising for someone who's more of a beauty minimalist, but you will see in my recent videos how much I've been loving glitter. And if there's one brand that I think is really worth investing in, it is Slayfire Cosmetics. They recently changed their packaging. So before it was in little glass pots. You can still buy different sizes, I believe. So you can choose if you want the smaller size or the bigger size, but their colors are incredible. They are so, so pretty. And I'm wearing this shade, which is Confetti Club, just like the tiniest dab on top of my eye look. But I wear their glitters so much. Like, I love wearing a big woolen sweater with like knitwear with glitter. It's like my favorite combo, and it's really nice for winter. Just a slick of mascara, a little bit of clear lip gloss looks really nice, but I absolutely love these products. And the colors they have are great. They also recently came out with a glitter reviver, which is great. So if you kind of have a glitter gel that's maybe dried out a little bit, you can definitely use that and kind of remix your glitters. The reason I like the glitter gels as well is because they're a lot less messy. You can literally just press it on with your finger. There's no spill down. But I love this brand, so well done to them. I definitely think they are worth checking out if, like me, you have the glitter bug. Next up, we have Kimiko, which is an amazing super fine eyebrow pencil. So the shade Coffee is one of those shades that's strangely universal. It kind of has enough cool tone in it that it works really well on everyone. And I absolutely love this pencil. It's just so, the nib is so fine that I find, especially if I've already done like a gel in my brow or something, I can just go back in and add the definition wherever I need it. I also love the fact, it's small things that please me, that when you roll it down, that's it. There's no lid. Doesn't dry out. The only lid is on the spoolie, so you don't have to worry about crushing your beloved pencil, because I've done that on so many of my eyebrow pencils. So I just love that she's thought of everything. Like, you literally just roll it up and you're good to go. I think there's 3 or 4 colors in the line, but they're all incredibly beautiful. I also have these in my pro kit, and again, I think it's just nice to, like, the thing that Danielle, the founder, really specializes in is brows. Like, that's her thing. She does brows amazingly. She's really well known for it. She's a brow shaper, brow groomer as well. And I always like it when someone kind of brings out the product that is really what they excel at. That's like their zone of genius. So love that. One brand that I did discover at the early 2020 is Juvia's Place. Now, there's lots of products that I love, but I have to say, if you were going to buy one thing, can we appreciate these eyeshadow colors? They are so beautiful. They sell them in Ulta and you can buy them online. They are very, very affordable. And I just think their colors are so good. Like, they are such pretty colors. This is the Berries collection. They have various different palettes. This one, and I think it's called the Chocolates, which is their browns, are 2 of my absolute can't live without palettes. So I love both of those. The eyeshadows way outperform many of the other luxury brands I've tried. I feel like the mattes are good. They're not chalky. They blend easily. The metallics are nice and pigmented, but you can still use a sheer wash, and they just blend really, really effortlessly. So if you are on the lookout for a new eyeshadow palette, or you're wanting to try some fun colors, I definitely recommend Juvia's Place. So like I said, there are so many incredible independent beauty brands out there, and this is just a few that I've been trying and playing with and feel happy to give you my seal of approval on. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I would love it if you subscribe. And don't forget as well, I actually have a free VIP vault over at harrymakesup.com. I'm going to put the link in the description box. So if you are looking for some new makeup tools, so let's say cheat sheets, videos, like you want to learn how to do individual lashes or eyelashes, and you just want to see quick short tutorials, I have those all over at a secret section on my website, which is the VIP vault. So if you'd like to access that, I'll put the link down below. Go check out the freebies there, and I'll see you guys soon for more.